Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add transition in CapCut PC. Alright, for instance, I'm going to select a few images to the track. I'm just going to add transition. Just click on transition feature button like here and select the transition you like. Alright, I'm going to select the wipe on. You can adjust for the duration right here, and you can also apply to all the clip like so. To remove, just click delete and select another transition just for the duration again. So this is very simple, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching.